Windsurf versus Google Gemini. Which AI tool is best for your needs? So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Windsurf. Windsurf is mainly designed for developers and coding-focused users. It works as an AI coding environment that helps you write, edit, and understand code faster. The interface feels like a smart coding workspace where AI actively assists while you build projects. It's especially useful for programmers who want automation directly inside their workflow. One of the biggest strengths of Windsurf is its deep coding assistance. It understands large code bases and helps with debugging, refactoring, and generating structured code. Another great thing is its fast performance, which makes real-time coding smoother. It also integrates well with developer tools, making collaboration easier for technical teams. At the same time, Windsurf may feel limited for non-technical users. It focuses heavily on development tasks, so people looking for general AI chatting or creative writing may not get the full benefit. Also, beginners without coding knowledge might find the environment slightly complex at first. Now let's come towards Google Gemini. Google Gemini is a more general-purpose AI tool created for everyday productivity. It helps with writing, research, brainstorming, coding, image understanding, and even integrating with Google apps like Docs, Gmail, and Drive. This makes it useful for students, professionals, and creators alike. Gemini stands out because of its strong reasoning abilities and seamless ecosystem integration. You can summarize documents, generate ideas, and manage tasks all in one place. It also supports multimodal features, meaning it can understand text, images, and context together, which improves overall usability. On the other hand, Gemini sometimes depends heavily on internet connectivity and Google services. Advanced coding workflows may not feel as specialized compared to developer-focused tools. Some features also vary depending on region and subscription access. If your main goal is coding and software development, Windsurf can be the better choice. But if you want an all-in-one AI assistant for productivity, research, and daily tasks, Gemini becomes the stronger option. Choosing between Windsurf and Google Gemini in 2026 depends on your specific needs. Developers may prefer Windsurf's focused environment, while general users will likely benefit more from Gemini's versatility. That's all for the video.